Manufacturers of PDA electrical software include Autodesk AutoCAD Electrical, a comprehensive software for electrical design and documentation with support for AutoCAD. Bentley Electrical is AutoCAD-based software specializing in electrical distribution design. EPLAN Electric Paint is known as an industry-leading software known for its powerful features and extensive symbol library. Elecworks Electrical Design is user-friendly software suitable for small and medium-sized projects. Innovari is cloud-based electrical design software with a focus on speed and efficiency. When choosing PDA electrical software, consider the project size and complexity. Larger and more complex projects require software with more advanced features and capabilities. Specific industry requirements need to be considered. Different industries may have specific standards or regulations that require specialized software. Consider the need for collaboration and sharing of design data with other software and team members. Choose software with an intuitive user interface and comprehensive training materials. Check if the software integrates with other tools used, such as CAD systems or project management platforms. Autodesk AutoCAD Electrical is known for its reliability and industry acceptance, but some users find it complex for smaller projects. Bentley Electrical is praised for its extensive library and powerful features, but it can be expensive and require specialized training. EPLAN Electric Paint is highly respected for its comprehensive functionality and ease of use, but its cost can be a limiting factor. Elecworks Electrical Design is popular for its affordability and user-friendliness, but it may not be suitable for large or complex projects. Innovari is appreciated for its cloud-based platform and speed, but it may not offer the same depth of features as traditional desktop software. Evaluating the features, costs, and user experiences of different software before making a decision is advisable.